now improving life from Anderson Regional Medical Center.
May is National Stroke Awareness Month, and simple prevention and treatment education can help reduce stroke incidents. The Tom C. Maynor Rehabilitation Center at Anderson Regional Medical Center offers the area's best care for stroke patients.
Here on the Tom Maynor Rehab, we can admit patients from home, local hospitals. We serve hospitals within a 90-mile radius of Meridian, physician offices, the ER, anywhere where a patient has had a change in their functional status or prolonged illness and they need to come in and receive intense therapy. We can go out and evaluate those patients. A typical day on the Tom Maynor Rehab would be where a patient gets up and they get their clothes on because they get to wear clothes here and not hospital gowns. And the therapists come and take them into the gym and they'll receive 3 hours of therapy a day. Some of that therapy will come from occupational therapy, physical therapy, and speech therapy. Our outcomes here at the Tom Maynor Rehab are above or at the national industry average. And what that means is when a patient comes in, we will set a goal with that particular patient. Our goals are very specific, what they would like to be able to achieve or do whenever they are discharged home.
Be sure to tune in each Wednesday morning on Good Morning Meridian for more health news with improving life.